people can use banana to make bread and then call it banana bread or banana loaf, why can't we use mango to make bread and call it mango bread or mango loaf? Yes, I use mango to make bread, so we call this mango bread. This tasted so good. Let me walk you through how I made this yummy mango bread. Let's go. This is the mango we're going to be using. I think this is German mango. I don't know what they really call this one, but I had plenty of this mango and it was getting so soft, so I decided to put it into good use, right? So I have mango. I decided to bake like mango bread, mango loaf, which of them? But there's mango inside anyways. So I'll be adding my mango now. I blended the mango. Then I'll add my egg. I have 4 eggs here. Added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, added milk, everything, the measurement is going to be written on the screen, okay? So I added butter, I added sugar, then I'm going to mix everything to combine very well until they marry and fall in love with each other very well. very well. So I'll just mix everything and we'll continue from there. After I'm done mixing that, I'll be adding my dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, salt. I'll be listing everything and their measurement on the screen. So once I'm done adding the dry ingredient, I will go ahead to mix also to combine. I will actually fold, not mix. This time I'm not going to mix it so much. So combining the wet ingredients and the dry one, see how it's looking. Very beautiful butter. Which one is beautiful butter? Anyways, I added fresh grated coconut, because why not? You can add any toppings of your choice, anything at all, nuts, anyone you want to add, you can add it at this point and then fold it in. So once that is done, I will then put the beautiful butter, because you guys, this butter is beautiful. It's so beautiful. Even as you're doing it, you'll be perceiving the mango, the cinnamon, the mixture of the ingredients. It was so good. Anyways, I put the butter in my baking pan. See how beautiful it is. I can't just get over this beautiful butter. So I put the butter in my baking pan and I also topped it with more grated coconut, because why not? Tell me why not? See, this combination was so good. Once I'm done topping that, I try to heat it to remove excess air, just to make everything balanced anyways, to remove the excess air, and then I will bake it in my oven for 45 minutes, 180 degree, right? Then this is what we have. Can you guys see this? This tasted so good. See, if you like banana bread, if you think banana bread is sweet, try mango bread and thank me later. This was so good. Like the taste, the banana, the mango, immediately you put this in your mouth, you don't need anyone to tell you this is mango bread, because I made sure the mango was enough inside. The taste, the way it melts in your mouth, it tasted so good. It was a bit hot when I started, not a bit hot, it was very hot even when I started cutting it, because if I don't do part of this video now, like immediately, this thing is not, I'm not going to do it again, because everybody wanted it, everybody was craving for it. You guys saw the small hands around it, right? So I had to cut it that way to show you guys what the inside looks like before it will be gone in seconds. Let's wait to see what the inside looks like. See it, this thing tasted so good. Mango bread, oh, I don't even know how I'm going to explain this. You need to try this for you to understand what I am saying. Can you guys see the inside? It was so moist. The combination of the mango, cinnamon added more flavor to it. Then the coconut made it, if you're eating it, you'll be having this crunchy kind of feeling inside. I don't know, but it was so good. It was so good. I don't even know how I'm going to explain this. I love banana bread, but you see this mango bread, it has short taken over for me. It has short taken over for me. It was so good. Can you guys see inside? Anyways, I decided to show you guys my new discovery, mango bread. This is because I had so many mangoes as at this time, and I didn't know what to do with it. It was just there, and it was so soft. I don't like soft mangoes. I was like, instead of just wasting this mango, why not create something with it? Why not do something with it? If we have banana bread, so why can't we make mango bread? And this was what we got. It was so good, so nice. Everybody loved it. After this, I think I've baked it 2 times, but the mango I used wasn't this. I used the is it cherry mango, the other mango. So I discovered that for you to get the taste of the mango very well, you need to use a very soft mango, just like using soft banana for your banana bread. So you need a very soft mango for this, and sweet mango, so that the taste of the mango will really come out. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you're going to make this, hope you're going to try this. Please do if you have mango, because I bet you're going to love this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, please, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And don't forget to tell a friend that Cook with Steffi is back on the channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.